Hello, I'm Sabrina with Fun Trips Vacations, and we're going to do a tour of the Staybridge Suites here in Florence, South Carolina. And follow my YouTube channel, Fun Trips Vacations. Go there for other videos of the hotel, like the room tour and the breakfast tour. All right, here we go, Staybridge Suites. As you can see, it's pretty big for Staybridge Suites. Alright, follow me. There's the check-in desk. First, when you walk in, there's a pantry. Okay, you have good goodies in the pantry. Things like food you can eat. And then you've got...
I ate a lot of food. Yeah. Well,
okay, we go down this hallway. You come to fitness room, laundry, and pool. So there is a laundry room. So this hotel really is like if you were like staying in a mini apartment. That is the fitness room. Let's go in. This is the fitness room. They have all kinds of machines in here. So if you were staying here long term, you'll have a place to work out. All kinds of nice machines.
Shutterfly makes it easy to create
weights,
for everyone on your list, like your mom,
towels.
Nana, and your bestie.
Okay.
40% off everything with Shutterfly.
Let's go out to the pool. The pool area. Alright, here's the pool. This is the pool area. Of course, it's November, winter time, so day after Thanksgiving, nobody is in the pool at the moment. It's not cold today, but it's in the 60s. Matter of fact, my room is up there on the 7th floor. We have the pool view room this time. Those are the meeting space rooms. And I'm going to try to not make this video too long. But the floors are really nice and clean. It's a nice, clean hotel. The breakfast was good. And we have bathrooms here. This here is an entrance to the meeting rooms, spaces. You got the grand ballroom. For anybody who wants to have like a convention here, or you just need a meeting room, this is where you come into those meeting rooms. Very nice meeting room areas. Very nice. one of the meeting rooms. Of course, there's no one in here at the time having a meeting. Must be slow season. But very, very nice. I know the meeting rooms are probably nice, but can't get in there as of now. Once again, this is Florence, South Carolina. So far, I really, really like this hotel. The amenities, the cleanliness, and but this is right near the convention center, the mall area. But it's really, like I said, clean, and but the beds are very big and comfortable. We really enjoyed our stay, and that's the breakfast area. I have another video on that. This is where you check in. This fireplace. This is the breakfast area here. Check out my other video on the breakfast. Oh, I can't forget the business center. This is the business center. If you need to use the computer, and there's an ATM machine. That's pretty much it, really. But I would rate this. I'll let you do your rating, but for me, I would rate this hotel maybe a 4-star, 4.5 star for a general hotel. It's not like a resort style hotel where it's like really, really large, but it's nice. So if you're ever in Florence, South Carolina, you know, I would stay here again. So on that note, have a good day, everyone. Once again, this is Sabrina with Fun Trips Vacations. Go follow our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and Instagram. Okay, have a great day.